All of a sudden, ChatGPT has become extremely popular. One may make money easier than ever before, and the possibilities are endless. Sam Altman, CEO of OpenAI, claims that in less than a week, the AI-powered chatbot has crossed over 1 million users. So if you haven't used this unique technology yet, you're throwing away your chance to make money online easily. ChatGPT gives you many ways to do this. I'm going to tell you the 5 best ways to make money online with ChatGPT. And the best part is that you don't need any experience to do any of them. You don't have to do anything to make $20, $30, $50, or even $100 per day. All you have to do is copy and paste. So don't skip any parts of the video and make sure to watch it all the way through because I will give you tips and tricks to get the best results as quickly as possible. Don't worry if you have questions about ChatGPT. I'll explain it and provide a simple example to help you get started. ChatGPT is an acronym for Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer. The AI built-in chatbot makes the text in an advanced and unique way based on what you write. The chatbot, which is run by AI, can write an essay in seconds and sum of a book with just one click. See how insane and powerful that is? If you go to chat.openai.com and log in, you will be taken to this screen. As you can see, we have numerous options for you to consider. On the left side, you can change the mood from dark to light, and this is where all the magic happens in the chatbot. You can just type whatever you want, like talking to a friend. Let's type in the chat box. Do you have a brief synopsis of the book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad? A thorough response was generated by the AI bot in just a few seconds with a single click, as if by magic. You'd be mistaken if you thought we were finished. We may continue our conversation and even have the chatbot give us the best 3 ideas from the book. So once again in the chat field, please give me the top 3 ideas from the book. As you can see, we have an answer in seconds without having to conduct any research. I can't emphasize how powerful this tool is. In the future, I believe ChatGPT will be the new Google. Please let me know in the comments if you agree. Now that you understand how ChatGPT works, we can get started with the first method, which entails selling blog posts and articles. Imagine you have been tasked with writing an article about the best ways to make money online. All you have to do is go to ChatGPT and let the AI technology create the article for us. Simply be creative in how you lead the chat. For example, divide the process into different parts by starting with the article's headline and then moving on to the main content and being specific to get high-quality results. The second way is selling brand names. You want to make a brand name for a company that sells beauty products. Ask the chatbot for ideas for a name for a beauty brand, and as you can see, you already have a few ideas from this short summary. Remember that you don't have to copy the answers exactly as they are written. You can use a chatbot instead to save time, come up with ideas faster, or just get more ideas. The third way to make money using ChatGPT will be by providing translation services. Do you want to translate this content quickly and correctly? Don't worry, simply copy it, return to ChatGPT, and instruct the chatbot to translate it into the language of your choice. Let's take Chinese as an example and see what happens. You now have a translated text for which you can be paid in seconds. Where to find clients to sell these services? Well, the answer is pretty simple. The solution is straightforward. There are 2 possibilities accessible here. The first option is to use major freelance markets like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, People Per Hour, and others. The second option is to create your own website and find clients through various tactics such as sponsored advertisements. Product description writing services are the fourth way to make money with ChatGPT. For example, if you want to write a description for a product on Amazon, all you have to do is copy the link to the product, go back to ChatGPT, and then do the following. First, you type the product and put in the name of the product. Then you set an action to do. In this case, it will be to write 5 bullet points that are optimized for Amazon and describe the features and benefits of each feature. After that, you can set the mood. For example, persuasive. Now start the magic. As you can see, we now have a fully optimized product description for Amazon without having to write a single letter ourselves. Doesn't that blow your mind? Tell me in the comments below. Let's move on to the 5th and last way to make money with ChatGPT, which is the service for writing video scripts. As you can see, there are a lot of successful sellers on Fiverr who offer this service. If we look at this top-rated seller, we can see that he has more than 1,800 reviews, which shows that this service is in high demand. You know what's next, don't you? Yes, that's it. Go to ChatGPT, set the action to write a video script, start the conversation, and when it's finished, copy, paste, deliver, and get paid. These are very easy ways to start making money with ChatGPT, but you can get more creative to offer more complicated services. Let me know in the comments if you want me to talk about more ways to make money with ChatGPT. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the following video.